All right, welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. You landed on this awesome Elliott Wave channel where we show you from an Elliott Wave perspective what the market's doing. Welcome. My name's Jim. I am a crypto trader. I trade crypto. I trade on the Ford Exchange as well. Trade Forex. And so we're going to jump into the market today. I want to give you a quick update. So let's jump in without any further ado. None of this is financial advice. Let's look at Bitcoin and Ethereum tonight. Okay. All right. Let's jump in. All right, we're looking at the top of the wave. Let me zoom out and give you a quick overview of what I'm looking at from the larger perspective here. Open up my screen here for you. There we go. All right, so after a three-wave move correction, we've started another wave. Question is it done? And I'm saying no, it's not done. We probably have one more wave to the high, but when is it coming? Well, let me see if I can show you what I think might happen. Okay, so for now. You can see how we've come straight up to the 2618. We got to bounce off it. That 2618 was confluent with the 13.8 target, which we were all in the Telegram group short from the top of there to down here. Now it's come up and made a new high, and you say, is it finished? Is it on its way up? I'm thinking no, probably not. Probably got another hit to the low and then up. Let me show you the way I would be looking at this particular wave most likely here. We've got a potential wave count of 1, 2, 3 in the middle of 4, and then gonna get a fifth wave to the upside. Everything is kind of pointing to the upside, even though I think we have a downside move coming first. Okay, so we have upside targets on the way. Let's look at where it might come. So this is the bias here. We want to see what this wave right in here might look like. Let's zoom in to the smaller time frame. Okay, what you can see here is that we have a five-wave move right here. What this structure is right here, if you're interested to know, basically is basically the fourth wave of the third. There's the fifth wave of the third wave. So this is all part of the end of the third wave. There's the fifth wave of it, the best I can tell. Had an impulse off the top. Now we're getting a three-wave move up. It broke the top here, and then we're going to get another impulse to the downside like that. Where's it going to come? Let me tell you the best I can see here. We're looking for a three-wave move. Probably do the one-to-one extension here. Let me show you what that would look like if it happens this way. Boom, boom, boom. Something like that. Now, we are recognizing the possibility, guys, of this coming up here one more time and then giving us that move to the downside. That's possible, so I want to give that to you. Looking for a target here of about 13,163 to about $12,900 in that ballpark. So looking for a move down to there. That's when we're going to think about taking a long here for this fifth wave move up to about $15,000 in that ballpark. So that's the wave shape for now, guys. That's the way we're looking at this current move in the market. That's basically a running flat, but doesn't count perfectly from an Elliott Wave perspective. A lot of purists would say, cry baloney on that. Here's the thing: I'm not a purist when it comes to leverage markets. Elliott didn't study leverage markets; he studied just regular stock markets and such of that nature. He also didn't. He wasn't around during the computer era where we have bot trading, we have algorithm trading, we have market makers and things of that nature doing their tricks. Okay, so that being said, we break Elliott Wave rules all the time. It's basically shape of waves. We're looking for three waves and fibs. For the most part, is what we're looking at applying Elliott Wave in this type of a market. So that's what I'm looking for now. RSI is kind of supporting such a thing here. What you'll notice here in the RSI, we are on the 1 hour chart right now. What you'll notice on the RSI is we have a little bit of a wedge forming here. Now, whether we come up here and then break down, or we break down from here, I cannot say. Either is possible, okay? But either way, what we're going to probably be creating is some hidden bullish divergence here on the RSI, where the RSI makes a new low, whereas price isn't able to make a new low. It's a running correction, and we get another high coming. So that's the way I'm looking at the wave. That's at least what I'm planning to trade. Okay, I don't think it's going straight up from here personally. You say, Jim, why don't you think it's going straight up from here? Couple of reasons, but let me just show you very quickly the main reasons here. Number one, the RSI is just kind of pointing I don't think it's pointing up. I think it's pointing up for a small move and then down. But that's not the main reason here. The main reason here is we got a flat, we got a 5-wave impulse, and we got a flat move. Let me just show you the structure here. We got a 3-wave here, then we got a 3-wave here. Now we got a 3-wave here. Okay, that's a WXY. All right, that broke the top. Okay, thank you. That broke the top here, and then looking for a wave to come on down. So that's possible. Now, whether this comes up to break the high and then comes down, I can't say. Okay, so that's what we're watching. Nevertheless, I am currently short in Ethereum, understanding that it may go up to take my entry out. I'm short from about 391 for now. So it's playing around right now. Ready to let that go up a little bit. Let me show you what Ethereum's looking like for the same structure here. All right, so what Ethereum's doing on the 2-hour chart here is we've got a 3 off the top here. You see a clear 3-wave move here, 3-wave move here. Okay, and then we got this 3-wave move there, pretty deep, right? But that's overall that's a 3-wave move. Then we got this 3-wave move back to the upside, and now I'm getting this 3-wave move right here. Okay, so in other words, here's a flat right here. Okay, 335 correction, and then down we go. Okay, and what target are we looking for if that's the case? So to give you some labeling here, this is going to be a large W, X, and a Y wave. Let me throw the fibs here for you so you can have a target. Okay, targeting 371 ballpark down to 361. Okay, 361 is more likely, I believe, based on some confluence of fibs here. Number one is the 127 extension down here, and then if I throw the fibs on this move right here, you can see the 1-to-1 extension correlates with the 127 there, 363. So 363, 362, 361, in that ballpark there is where I'm looking to take profit on this short, most likely. But that's the way I'm looking at that wave. I'm looking at a 3, 3, 5 right there flat. That's a 5, that's a 3, and looking for the 5 down to the downside. I think we've already begun it. It's going to happen tonight, and then we're going to get a big upside move coming very quickly. It's a beautiful trade setup. Let me show you what that's looking like coming. So let's zoom out just on the 6-hour chart and show you this beautiful setup. You can see how this target is confluent with this nice trend line that I have here drawn here. Could do that a little bit better. Get my channel a little bit better there. There we go. That's a better channel. So yeah, we got target zones here. Now here's the way I'd look at this wave. It's pretty interesting from my perspective as an Elliottian here. But basically, what we're looking at here is let's see. I'm going to clear my chart. It's a little bit messy there. There we go. That's super helpful. Okay, so yeah, 369 wick down to 360 in that ballpark. So looking for this move right here. So we'd look at this as this particular wave right here as an W, X, and a Y wave, something like that. Okay. And then the overarching wave is this. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, it's kind of a running correction there, and we're going to have targets up here at $460. Okay, let's show you that the way that's looking here. 450 is up here. We get target right down there somewhere. Yeah, 423 is our first target. Excuse me. And then our second target is going to be around 440. So that's actually a better play there for Ethereum. That's the way I'm looking at it for now. At least the trade idea that we're playing right here. Oh, sorry. Boom, boom, boom. Looking for this fib right here. That fib right there. 440, 423 to 440. We'll have to see the wave shape as it comes up. Okay. Now, overall, guys, don't get too bullish on that. Okay, don't get too bullish, because overall, what that's going to be is a big three-wave corrective wave, where we have an A wave down to here. This is our B wave finishing up, and we're going to be coming down again for a C wave. Okay, and that's going to get us to lower targets down to the downside. Okay, so where could that take us? Well, if it's only a three wave, we'd be getting down to $260 to 214 potentially. Just depends on where this particular wave comes. So that's kind of, as we keep zooming out, that's what we're looking at, guys. But this is a corrective type wave. Okay, so we're still looking correctively at it from an Elliott wave perspective. So there's Ethereum, just giving you some TA there as well. All right, so that's just a brief synopsis, guys. I did a 1.5 hour live for the Discord this morning. We're just teaching and understanding how these waves come to be. If you're not part of the Discord, tomorrow is a great day to sign up. I can show you just what we're looking at here. We had an unlisted video. Let me see if I can get into the Discord. There we go. The Gym of All Trades. There it is. What you can find is that we have a community tab. We had a live here, and we had a Saturday in-depth live where we went through BCC, Ethereum, XRP, Link. Somebody asked for Cell as well. You don't want to miss this. It was an hour and a half of just good teaching, good interaction on the Discord where people were asking questions and we were answering them and looking at the TA together. I offer. We have a place I offer my current charts, my current positions. Right here is my current position, and the setups here, Bitcoin charts, what we're looking for, what our targets are, and what we're looking for wave shapes as well. And we go through the Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, XRP. Those are the majors there. And then we have altcoins here. I just put out a chart here for Link today. Got beautiful setups for Link. So you get all this in the Discord plus more. We have Forex trade setups. We have Forex chats. The DXY. Just you get all these charts updated every week, several times usually. We get live trading sessions and different things go on all the time in the Discord. So lots of fun stuff happening. It's a great value right now. The value is going to change starting in December. So right now, everybody who joins by November gets grandfathered into the current price structure, and then once December hits, the prices will change slightly because I'm offering a lot more here in the Discord than I was in the Telegram group. So. Anyway, with that being said, invite you into it. I hope you might come join us. Can't even hurt you to come try it for a month. If it's not for you, it's okay. You didn't lose a whole lot, but I guarantee you'll have trade setups that you'll easily make your money back. I had a friend in the group said he had a trade the other day that would take care of 6 years. 6 years of what do you call it? 6 years of subscription months. Of a month subscription. So for 6 years he's taken care of from one trade. So he was just sharing his thanks for me, and so that's just a testimony from just one person that was in the group just the other day. So you'll learn a lot. You'll grow in your trading, and maybe you'll win some trades along the way. So anyway, all right, you guys have a great night. Thanks for stopping by the Gym of All Trades channel, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye bye.